My name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. So, clue number 3 of I'm Dragon Mystery Knit Along is live, and I'm so excited about this. And so it's a final clue. If you did not join us just yet, join us now. We're not in any competition, just have fun with it, and we would love to see more people participating in this mystery knit along. So I'm going to show you 2 samples, one with beads, one without, of how your piece is supposed to look like when you're done with the clue number 2. Are you ready? Okay. Ta-da! How cool is that? I love this. I mean, I'm sorry, I shouldn't say it about my design, but I really truly enjoyed it. And I have to say that I cheated slightly because before doing this video, I blocked it very lightly, steam blocked it, and this is the blocking I am suggesting for this design. So please don't wet it, don't make it wet. And I will talk about it in a little bit, but so I wanted to block it slightly so I can show you how it's kind of like what it's supposed to look like. And so yours may not look exactly like this, but it will be, and even better after we finish with blocking. So so you can see this one's got little beads in each dragon scale, and I still have 15 more to go, so it means I'm gonna have 15 more dragon scales to knit and that much yarn left, which is actually kind of impressive that takes less than 1 skein of fingering. So as I said before, in my opinion, it's one of the best use of 1 skein of fingering yarn. Just look at this. So, and this one is with the beads, and I have a sample without beads. I love this color. It's called Black Cherry, but by Ancient Yarns, and it's slightly harder to see on a video versus the gold, but it's very rich and it's a deep color, gorgeous, and it does show off a heavy texture, 3D texture of the scales as well. So this is the second one. So for our next clue, clue number 3 is only 1 page per design, one without beads and one with beads, and I will be updating those files and putting more pictures next week. The reason for it is that I wanted to do a picture tutorial of blocking, because blocking is a very important step, and also I have a design element which I will put later on. And this design element, I also wanted to take a few pictures just to do it like kind of step by step for you, so it would be easier for you to follow. And I wanted to do it because I'm knitting it as I go together with you. So I did not want to reveal the whole mystery just yet. So wait a few days and I will be posting it very soon. And hopefully, you know, you will really like the outcome. I think you would. I don't know. So also, when you're switching to clue number 3, switch to smaller size needle. This is important, and I actually underlined it in red. So change to smaller size needle. It's gonna make a difference, and you will see later why. After you finish with blocking, you know, which we're not ready yet to do, you will need sew-on magnetic snaps. This is what I recommend because it's 2018. We don't need buttonholes and buttons, and this works beautifully, and it's very clean. It has a very clean look. So those you can purchase in any craft shop in a Sewing Nation part of the store, and they come in different styles and sizes. So I suggest, they're not going to be visible, so the style doesn't really matter, but the color wise and size wise, I recommend the smaller one just because it's slightly lighter to wear. But to be honest, the difference is not huge, and if there is no smaller one and the larger one is only available one, just go for it. It's absolutely fine. This one, like, perfect. So I'm going to use for this sample this antique gold one just because it's matching perfectly. So okay, excited to see your projects on Ravelry and on social media. Just tag us there so we can you know, so I wouldn't miss it. I want to see it. And join our Reverly group, my Reverly group. So I have, you know, chat dedicated to this design. So people sharing their projects, asking questions. So it's very friendly, very nice and live community. So, and I hope to see you there. Sign up for my channel. And I'll see you very soon, because in the next video I want to show you how to style it as well, because I have some ideas. You don't have to style it the way I describe it, but as maybe you remember, I call it a scarf necklace, and that's how I'm gonna style it, and I'll show you next week. I'll see you very soon. Bye.